Welcome to Tripaholic. As I said in my last video that today I am going to show you all the features of GoPro Hero 7 Black. So stay tuned and keep watching. Just got the delivery from Amazon.in and I am very excited. So let's unpack this. So this is my GoPro 7 Black. So let's unpack it. So now check what is there inside this package. Oh, there's some warranty cards. 1 year extended warranty. Register your GoPro. So I have to register the product in this website to get the 1 year extended warranty. Okay, showing main GoPro and the holder and some accessories are there inside this box. And the main features are described here. That is, it's a 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 and 1080 pixel 240. That is the beautiful setting to capture the slow motion, and 33 feet under the water, and it is voice controlled, touch screen, 8x slow motion, GPS, HDR photography, HyperSmooth, but that is the one of the most ever weighted feature for GoPro, and live streaming. So you can live stream your video through your social media accounts using this GoPro Hero 7 Black. Oh my god, so this is the beautiful camera. Let's open this one as well. This is the manual. I have to read it, and here are some accessories, some stickers are there. More. This is the USB cable. Charge the GoPro, and I think this is the battery. You can purchase additional battery if you want. Okay, so I have this. Okay, I was waiting for this camera for a long time. This will be one of my most beautiful travel partner during my next trips. So I have opened this. Okay, so this is the beauty. This is the main beauty. So this is the portions where you have to insert the battery. Just press this and it will open. Okay, and now I have to place it. Now this one is the power button, I think. Okay, it has been turned on. So as you have seen, I have already unpacked my camera. Now is the time to check the features of GoPro Hero 7 Black. At first I will check the HyperSmooth stability of this camera, which is the new feature. By using this feature you don't have to use any gimbal. And to do the test, I have already installed the camera over my chest. You can see it. Yeah. So now I will do some jogging and running, and we'll capture the footage and we'll show you. So let's do the test. So my dear friend, I hope you are enjoying the features of HyperSmooth stability, and the feature, as per my opinion, the feature is working perfectly. But if you want to know some more information over this function, then please do comment and let me know. And dear friend, please like my video and subscribe this channel. uh, I'm running for you, so I need your support for this channel. So now I am going to do the slow motion test with the resolution 1080 and frame rate 240. So I hope you have enjoyed the slow motion features of GoPro Hero 7 Black. If you have any question over these features, then please do comment. And right now I am going to do the time wrap and time lapse test using my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Time wrap is a new feature of GoPro Hero 7, and time wrap is nothing but a stabilized time lapse. We used to call it as hyperlapse. And to do the time wrap test, I have installed my GoPro Hero 7 over my car head, and I will take the footage of the moving objects. So let's do the test. So now I am going to do the waterproof test with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let's do. Hello GoPro. So the GoPro is working fine underwater and is totally waterproof. इसको underwater ही रहने दो. So my dear friend, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I have tried to show you all the features of GoPro Hero 7 Black. If you have any questions over GoPro Hero 7 Black, then please do comment and please subscribe my channel and like this video. In my next video, I will show you some more unknown features of GoPro Hero 7 Black. So keep watching my channel and keep watching my travel vlog. So see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.